Introducing the 2016 Audi A5 2.0 TDI S-Line Black Edition Plus. With 190 horsepower and a B&O sound system, this hatchback is sure to impress. Packed with comfort and safety features, the A5 also boasts a sleek blue exterior and luxurious interior trim. From cruise control to parking assistance, this vehicle has it all. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today or visit audikerry.ie for more information. Drive in style and luxury with the Audi A5.